2 by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. And second one equation 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Here at denominator the root x is the same in both equations. Also root y and root y is also same in both equations. Then substitute the 1 upon root x is equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. Substitute this value in given equation. We can write then first equation 2 up by root x plus 3 by root y is equal to 2. Then 1 upon root x is equal to a, substitute in this equation, and 1 upon root yb, substitute in this equation. Then we get is 1 upon root x is equal to a, then we get 2a. 1 upon root y is equal to b, then we get 3b is equal to 2. We get the equation number 1 from after substitution. 2a plus 3b is equal to 2, equation number 1. Similarly, substitute in equation second. 4 by root x minus 9 by root y is equal to minus 1. Substitute the 1 upon root x is equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. Then we get the equation 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1. This is the give the name equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2. Observe the coefficient of b in equation 1 is a plus 3, and observe the coefficient of b in equation second is the minus 9. Then the number plus 3 multiply equation 1 equating the coefficient b. समीकरण 1 आणि 2 मध्ये b चा सहगुणक +3 आहे आणि दुसऱ्या समीकरणात -9 आहे. b चा सहगुणक समान करण्यासाठी समीकरण 1 ला 3 ने मल्टिप्लाय करावे लागेल. From equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 multiple by 3. Then we get 3 multiply in bracket 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. 3 multiply each and every term in the bracket. 3 to the 6a plus 3 into 3b is a 9b is equal to 3 to the 6. Then we get equation number 3. 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Observe equation 2 and 3. The coefficient of b is the same, having opposite sign. Then adding equation 2 and 3. Then we get 4a minus 9b is equal to minus 1 and 6a plus 9b is equal to 6. Minus 9b plus 9b get 0. Then we get 6 plus 4 is the 10a and minus 1 plus 6 is the 5. This 10 goes on the next side, then we get divide. Then a is equal to 5 upon 10 is equal to 1 upon 2. This is the value of a. I request to everyone write down here. सर्वांना सूचना आहे की इथपर्यंत लिहून घ्या. इथपर्यंतचा भाग समजला सर्वांना? Give the response after ask question. Okay, write down. सर्वांनी हे पेज लिहून घ्या. The value of a is equal to 1 by 2. Put in equation 1, then we get the value of b. Here the value of a is equal to 1 by 2. Substitute in equation 1. Equation 1 is that 2a plus 3b is equal to 2. Then the value of a replaced by 1 by 2. Then we get 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b is equal to 2. Here 2 get cancelled. Then 1 plus 3b is equal to 2. This plus 1 goes on this side. We get minus 3b is equal to 2 minus 1. Then 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Then 3b is equal to 1. 3 is a multiplied to b, goes on the next side, then you get divide. Then b is equal to 1 upon 3. This is the value of b. We have to consider the value of a and b. 1 upon root x is equal to a and 1 upon root y is equal to b. Resubstitute the value of a and b. Here 1 upon root x is equal to a. The value of a is equal to 1 by 2. 1 upon root x is equal to 1 by 2. Then we get root x is equal to 2. But the value of root x, when root get cancelled, squaring on both sides. Then we get squaring on both sides. Root x is equal to 2. Square of root x is the x and square of 2 is equal to 4. Then we get the value of variable x is equal to 4. Similarly, we substitute the 1 upon root y is equal to b. In this way, 1 upon root y is equal to the value of b is equal to 1 upon 3. Then here cross multiplication. Then root y is equal to 3. Squaring on both sides, root y square is the y and 3 square is the 9. These are the value of the solution of given equation x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 9. Write down here. And equation number 2. Equation 1 is 0.4x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.7. And equation number 2 is 0.7x minus 0.2y is equal to 0.8. First observe the coefficient of y in both equations. In first equation 0.3y and in second equation the y coefficient is a 0.2. Equating the coefficient of y in equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 multiple by 0.2, then we get 0.2 multiply equation 1, 0.4x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.7. 0.2 into 0.4 is a 0.08x plus 0.2 multiply 0.3y, then we get 0.06y is equal to 0.2 multiply 1.7 is the 0.34. Here to multiply 0.2 and 0.4x, then we get 0.08x. 0.2 multiply 0.4. General multiplication is a 8, but decimal point precede one digit. Here is a one digit, is a two digit, but here is a 8 product is one digit. 1 take 0.0 is the product of 0.2 into 0.4, then we get 0.08x. In this way we get equation number 3. Similarly, equation 2 multiple by 0.3 in this way. 0.3 multiply 0.7x is 0.21x. 0.3 multiply minus 0.2y, then we get 0.06y, and 0.3 multiply 0.8, then we get 0.24. In this way we get the equation number 4. Observe the coefficient of y in equation 3 and 4. Coefficient of y in equation 3 is a 0.06 and equation 4 the coefficient of y is a 0.06. Coefficient is the same, having opposite sign. Then adding equation 3 and 4, then we get 0.08x plus 0.06y is equal to 0.34. Add the second, third, fourth equation 0.21x minus 0.06y is equal to 0.24. Then plus 0.06y and minus 0.06y get 0, and the sum of 0.08x 0.21x is equal to 0.29x is equal to 4 4 is 8, 3 2 plus 5 0.58 is the equal side. Then here minus 0.29x is equal to 0.58. 0.29 goes on the next side, then you get divide. Everyone, I request to write down here. 0.29x is equal to 0.58. 0.29 goes on the next side, then we get divide. Here x is equal to 0.58 by 0.29. Add numerator and denominator. Decimal point precede 2 digit is the same. Then decimal point get cancelled. Then x is equal to 58 upon 29. 29 to the 58. Then we get the value of variable x is equal to 2. Similarly, the value of x substitute in equation 1. Then we get the 0.4x plus 0.3y is equal to 1.7. This is the equation number 1. Substitute the value of x is equal to 2 in this equation. Then we get 0.2 into 0.4 into 2 is equal to 0.8 plus 0.3y is equal to 1.7. Then 0.8 goes on the next side. Then we get minus 0.3y is equal to 1.7 minus 0.8. This is the subtraction here. 1.7 minus 0.8. 17 minus 8 is the 9. Carry is 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 0.9 is the subtraction. Then you get 0.3y is equal to 0.9. 0.3 goes on the next side. Then you get divide 0.9 upon 0.3. Add numerator denominator having preceding decimal digit is the same. The decimal point get cancelled. 9 upon 3. Y is equal to 3 3 is a 9. Then the value of y is equal to 3. These are the solution of given equation are x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3. Write down here. X plus y upon xy is equal to 2 and x minus y upon xy is equal to 6. Here at denominator the product of two variable x, y and y. Also in second equation is the product of x and y. Here first you understand the 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. How to or why substitute 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. Here 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. First you understand the clearly 1 upon x plus 1 upon y is equal to a plus b. The value of 1 upon x is equal to a, the value of 1 upon y is equal to b. Then here denominator is not same, x and y is a different. Cross multiplication x plus y upon xy is equal to a plus b. Only on LHS side the multiplication, cross multiplication. Here y into 1 is the y plus x into a 1 is the x, then we get x plus y. At denominator x into y is the xy, then a plus b. Observe the given equation x plus y upon xy is equal to 2 and here x plus y upon x divided by xy is the same. Its value is the 2. Therefore, a plus b is equal to 2. Then we get first equation a plus b is equal to 2. Here the elimination of the product x and y after given calculation. Then we get the first equation a plus b is equal to 2. येथे पहा आपल्या दिलेल्या समीकरणामध्ये छेदस्थानी xy आहे आणि छेदस्थानी xy आहे. आपला हा xy चं निरसन जर करायचं असेल तर आपण 1 upon x ची किंमत a मानलेली आहे आणि 1 upon y ची किंमत b मानलेली आहे. मग x plus y upon xy हे मिळवण्यासाठी आपण 1 upon x plus 1 upon y ची बेरीज केली is equal to a plus b. LHS साईडला 1 upon x plus 1 upon y छेद वेगवेगळा आहे म्हणून तिरकस गुणाकार करा. गुणाकार केल्यास ही बाजू डावी बाजू x plus y upon xy होईल is equal to a plus b. आणि याची किंमत ही समीकरणामध्ये दिलेली आहे x plus y upon xy is equal to 2 त्या ठिकाणी ठेवा म्हणजेच a plus b is equal to 2 हे पहिलं समीकरण मिळेल a plus b is equal to 2. Similarly the 1 upon y minus 1 upon x. आता 1 upon y मी अगोदर का लिहिलं तर आपण तिरकस गुणाकार जर केला तर अगोदर इथं x minus y upon xy आहे म्हणून इथं 1 upon y minus 1 upon x is equal to 1 अपॉन वाय ची किंमत बी आहे, 1 अपॉन एक्स ची किंमत ए आहे. पुन्हा या ठिकाणी क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन 1 अपॉन वाय मायनस 1 अपॉन एक्स इज इक्वल टू बी मायनस ए. पुन्हा द क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन x into 1 is the x minus y into 1 is the y divided by xy is equal to b minus a. This value in given equation is the 6. Substitute here. Then we get b minus a is equal to 6. We can write first a minus a plus b is equal to c. 6. This is the equation 2 we get. From equation 1 and 2, first equation is a plus b is equal to 2 and second equation is a minus a plus b is equal to 6. These are the simultaneous equation. Here adding equation 1 and 2, then we get 2b is equal to 8, b is equal to 8 by 2, b is equal to 4. This is the value of b. The value of b is equal to 4. Substitute in equation 1. Then we get a plus 4 is equal to 2, a is equal to 2 minus 4, a is equal to minus 2. In this way, we get the value of a and b. This value resubstitute the value of a and b in we have to consider 1 upon x is equal to a and 1 upon y is equal to b. 1 upon x is equal to minus 2. Then we get cross multiplication here. Minus 2 into x is a minus 2x is equal to 1. Then we get x is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, 1 upon y is equal to b. Then 1 upon y is equal to 4. Then cross multiplication 4 into y is equal to 1. Then we get y is equal to 1 by 4. Write down here. हा भाग सोपा आहे. ए आणि बी ची किंमत आपल्याला नेहमीप्रमाणे मिळालेली आहे. परत आपण रिसब्स्टिट्यूट किंमत ठेवल्या ए आणि बी ची 1 अपॉन एक्स इज इक्वल टू ए. क्रॉस मल्टिप्लिकेशन केल्यास मायनस 2x इज इक्वल टू 1, एक्स इज इक्वल टू मायनस 1 बाय 2. त्याच पद्धतीने y ची किंमत काढताना आपल्याला 1 अपॉन y इज इक्वल टू b, 1 upon y is equal to 4, for y is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 by 4. Next, equation reducible in two variable linear equation. The same kind of equation here 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5 and 8x plus 7y upon xy is equal to 15. Here given equation 7x minus 2y upon xy is equal to 5. Here denominator xy separate each and every term at numerator. आता हा छेद xy जो आहे हा xy छेद अंशस्थानी असणाऱ्या प्रत्येक पदासाठी सेपरेट घेऊया आपण. 7x अपॉन xy मायनस 2y अपॉन xy इज इक्वल टू 5. प्रत्येक अंशाच्या प्रत्येक पदासाठी हा छेद आपण वेगवेगळा घेतलेला आहे. इथे 7x अपॉन xy आहे, अंशस्थानी x आहे, छेदस्थानी x आहे, तो कॅन्सल होईल x. काय उरेल 7 अपॉन y. सिमिलरली मायनस 2y अपॉन xy, इथे y कॅन्सल होईल, राहिला शिल्लक छेदस्थानी x मायनस 2 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू 5. इक्वेशन नंबर 1 अशा पद्धतीने आपल्याला मिळालं. त्याच पद्धतीने दिलेलं दुसरं समीकरण जे आहे 8x प्लस 7y अपॉन xy इज इक्वल टू 15. इथे पण छेदस्थानी xy आहे, अंशाच्या प्रत्येक पदासाठी आपण छेद वेगळा लिहूया. 8x अपॉन xy प्लस 7y अपॉन xy इज इक्वल टू 15. हा x कॅन्सल होईल, शिल्लक राहील 8 अपॉन y आणि हा y कॅन्सल होईल, शिल्लक राहील 7 अपॉन x इज इक्वल टू 15. इक्वेशन नंबर 2 मिळेल 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Observe the equation 1 and 2. At denominator is a y, this part is a y is the same, this x part is the same at denominator. We have to consider substitute the 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. इथपर्यंत सर्वांनी लिहून घ्या. 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. Then we get from equation 1, the 7 by y minus 2 by x is equal to 5. Then 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. Then we get 7a minus 2b is equal to 5, equation number 3. And from second equation, 8 by y plus 7 by x is equal to 15. Substitute the 1 upon y is equal to a, 8a plus 1 upon x is equal to b plus 7b is equal to 15, equation number 2. From equation 3 and 4, observe the coefficient of b. In equation 3, coefficient of b is a minus 2. In equation 4, coefficient of b is a plus 7. Then equation 3 multiple by 7 for equating coefficient of b. Equation 3 multiple by 7, then we get 7 multiply 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. 7 7 49a minus 7 into minus 2b is a 14b is equal to 7 5 is a 35. Then we get equation number 5. Similarly, equation 4 multiple by 2, then we get 2 multiply 8a plus 7b is equal to 15. 2 8a is equal to 16a plus 2 into 7b is equal to plus 14b is equal to 2 into 15 is a 30. Then from equation 5 and 6, the coefficient of b is the same, having opposite sign. Then adding equation 5 and 6. Write down here. Adding equation 5 and 6, then we get minus 14b plus 14b get cancelled. Then 49a plus 16a, sum of these two numbers is 65a is equal to sum of 35 plus 30 is equal to 65. Then 65 into a is in multiplication, 65 goes on this side, we get divide, then a is equal to 1. Put a is equal to 1 in equation 3. Equation 3 is 7a minus 2b is equal to 5. Then the value of a is equal to 1. 7 into 1 minus 2b is equal to 5. Then 7 into 1 is a 7 minus 2b is equal to 5. The 7 goes on the next side, then we get minus 2b is equal to 5 minus 7. Then minus 2b, 5 minus 7 is a minus 2, minus 2b is equal to minus 2. On both sides having negative sign get cancelled, then 2 goes on the next side, then we get 2 by 2 is the value of b is equal to 1. Write down here. We get the value of a is equal to 1 and b is equal to 1. Resubstitute the value of a and b. Then we get the 1 upon y is equal to a and 1 upon x is equal to b. The value of a is equal to 1, then 1 upon y is equal to 1 as 1. Then we get cross multiplication y is equal to 1. Similarly, we substitute the value of b, 1 upon x is equal to b, also b is equal to 1. Cross multiplication x is equal to 1. These are the solution of given equation. Write down here. अशा पद्धतीने x आणि y च्या किमती दिलेल्या समीकरण. चला घ्या आणखी एक चौथं इक्वेशन घ्या फॉर होमवर्क. दिसतंय सर्वांना? घ्या लिहून चला. 2y plus 6x upon xy is equal to 13. 3y plus 4x upon xy is equal to 12. हे समीकरण सोडवताना प्रत्येक अंशाच्या प्रत्येक पदाचा छेद वेगळा करायचा. x x y y कॅन्सल करायचा. आपल्याला 2 upon x plus 6 upon y is equal to 13. 3 upon x plus 4 upon y is equal to 12. अशा प्रकारची दोन इक्वेशन तयार होतील. नंतर मग सबस्टिट्यूट करा. 1 upon x is equal to a, 1 upon y is equal to b. आता आपण पाहिल्याप्रमाणे. ओके.